You can train models now. The next step is proving it, with one project good enough to show a stranger. But here is the twist. The model is not what they are judging. Most portfolios end like this: one notebook, one shiny number, and nothing else. A trophy with no story. A reviewer looks at it and asks, what was the question? What data were you allowed to use? What did you beat? How do I run it? The trophy cannot answer, so they scroll past. What convinces them is a journey, told in order. First a question worth asking, then the data you used, and where it came from, then a simple baseline, then your model, then an honest evaluation on held-out data, and finally a README and a small demo anyone can run. Each stage hands evidence to the next. The model is one chapter, the chain is the book, and the stage reviewers respect most is the humble one, the baseline. Before any bragging, you show the dumbest possible model. Always guess the common class. It scores 0.632. Now your 0.982 means something, because we can see what it beat. One last piece carries the whole thing. The README. It states the problem in one line, names the data and its source, shows the baseline next to the final result, explains how to run everything, and admits what the model cannot do. It is the front door. Reviewers see how you think before they read a single line of code. So the whole module fits on one card. A portfolio project is the question, the data, the baseline you beat, and the limits you found. Show that chain, and the score takes care of itself. With a real project in hand, it is worth asking where all of this leads. The roles, the paths, and how to pick yours. That is the machine learning career landscape, and it is next.